rated brand in terms
So,
of customer
quick
satisfaction.
update. I'm a little bit late,
And likelihood of
but
repurchase
gross
on one of the
margin
leading
achieved
customer satisfaction
170
brand surveys
million
that's done
for
every year.
Q4,
And
110
there's
million
lots of
from
reasons
automotive,
our
60
customers
million
love
from the
our
software
products,
from the
but one of the most
Volkswagen
important
joint
to us is
venture.
safety, and it's something we put at the very
They
core of the vehicle
accomplished
development
what I
process.
thought
We
they
make
wouldn't
decisions
accomplish.
around trade-offs for content, for structure,
I'm gonna lower this.
for even the design of the vehicle.
And that's all great and everything, but the big thing that I'm looking at now is, okay, well, the stock hasn't really reacted the way I would think. We are up 3% in the after hours, which is really underwhelming and kind of not what I thought would happen. I guess people already priced in the fact that this would happen. However, personally, I think that it adds a lot more value to the company than the 3% increase would justify. And so now it becomes a question of, do we want to exploit that deficiency in the markets? So if your perceived value of the company goes up because they said X, Y, and Z, because they have a gross profit, however, markets only increase the share price 3%, now you have this big delta. So do you exploit that delta? What do you do? I'll finish this earnings call and I will think about it a little bit more, but that was just the briefing that I wanted to give right now. So in short, I don't really know what to do at the moment. I think, if anything, this earnings call just really stabilized the idea of the company and kind of proved that things were going to be possible. And I think at this point, it's just going to come down to the ramp up in production of R2 and how the rollout of that goes. It would be nice to hear some updates on the orders for R2. And yeah, I don't really see anything like exciting happening with the company within the next year, right? So like we have the gross profit, okay, that's good. But until 2026, what are we gonna do with R2? I guess in the meantime, they'll have like full prototypes done that all the car reviewers will get to try out. So that'll be an exciting time. But other than that, they're just gonna be doing their thing behind closed doors until R2 comes out. Or if the EV market starts to get hot, starts to heat up the way it was in 21, then obviously that will have a major impact. If the company, if Rivian has to raise guidance, that'll have a major impact. But I don't really think it's logical to count on increases in guidance. So yeah, those are my thoughts. I will see you tomorrow. But this is a good day. I hoped for the gross profit and they made it happen. So I know I didn't say that it was going to completely happen, but deep down I did want it to happen. I just didn't want to be disappointed in the case that it didn't. But it's nice to kind of see like companies actually progress, and when you follow them and track them and see things actually happen. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow.